In this quick video, I will show you how to swap Atom for EVMOS step by step. So the first step is to go to app.osmosis.zone and click Connect Wallet. Now, as you can see, we have two wallets here. We have Keplr Wallet and Wallet Connect. And I'm going to choose Keplr Wallet. Now, once you have connected your Keplr Wallet, go to Assets here, scroll down, and you can see here the Atom. Just click Deposit. Then you can type the amount of Atom you want to send here or deposit. For example, I want to deposit 0.10 Atom. Click Deposit Atom here, and a confirmation from Keplr will pop up. You can see here we have low gas fee, average gas fee, and high gas fee, but we're going to choose low gas fee. Click Approve. Then let's wait for the transaction to be completed. And now you can see here your Atom. You can see here the balance and the equivalent amount of USD. Now once you have deposited Atom to Osmosis, click Swap here, and then you can type the amount of Atom you want to swap here. And for this part, click here and click EVMOS. Now type, for example, 0.10 Atom, and after you type the amount of Atom you want to swap, click Swap here, and a confirmation from Keplr will pop up, but we don't need to pay for a gas fee. As you can see, we have zero fee here. Just click Approve. Now wait for the transaction to be completed. And you can see here a confirmation from Osmosis that the transaction was successful. Now go to Assets here, and now you can see here your balance in EVMOS. And if you want to transfer your EVMOS to your Keplr wallet, we're going to need Osmo token first. Now go to Swap here, click here, click EVMOS, and then type down any amount of EVMOS you want. For example, 1 EVMOS. Click Swap, click Approve, go to Assets here, and you can see here the balance of your Osmo token. On the EVMOS, click Withdraw here, then click here, click Get Address, and type the amount of EVMOS you want to withdraw. And for example, I want to click Max here. I want to withdraw the amount of EVMOS in Osmosis. Click here and click Transfer Coins from Osmosis. Click Average here, click Approve, go to your Keplr wallet, and now you can see here the amount of EVMOS you have. If you have any questions about, and we're done. If you have any questions about how to swap Atom for EVMOS, leave a comment below.